In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type emails with your voice in Gmail on Google Chrome. This can be an absolute game changer, especially if you're looking to increase your efficiency or simply give your fingers a well-deserved break. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to make sure you're using Google Chrome as your web browser. Google Chrome is optimal for this process because it supports a range of extensions and features that other browsers might not fully accommodate. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily find it online and download it. Once you have it ready, let's get started. Begin by opening Google Chrome and navigating to the Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store is like a marketplace where you can find various extensions to enhance your browsing experience. In the search bar, you'll want to type Voice in Voice Typing. This is a popular extension for dictating text, and it works seamlessly with Gmail. Once the search results appear, you should see the Voice in Voice Typing extension at or near the top. Click on it, and you'll see an option to add to Chrome. Click this button. A prompt will appear, asking for confirmation to add the extension. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Add Extension. With the extension now added, you'll notice a small microphone icon appears on the top right corner of your Chrome browser, near the extensions toolbar. This icon indicates that the voice typing extension is ready to use. Now, close out of the Chrome Web Store and open a new tab. Head over to the Gmail website and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside your Gmail, click to open a new email draft, just as you normally would when composing a standard email. Here's where the magic happens. With your new email draft open, bring your attention back to that microphone icon we talked about earlier. Click on it to activate the voice typing feature. You may be prompted to grant permission for the extension to access your microphone. Be sure to click Allow when this prompt appears in order for the voice typing to function smoothly. After permissions are set up, the microphone in the extension will activate, and you'll notice an icon or indicator showing that it's listening. Now, you can begin speaking your message, and the voice typing extension will transcribe your speech into written text in the email draft. Speak clearly and at a normal pace, as this will ensure the highest accuracy in the transcription. Finally, with your email dictated, take a moment to read through the content. You might need to make minor edits or corrections, as voice recognition isn't always 100% accurate, especially with names or technical terms. Once you're satisfied with your dictated message, all that's left to do is hit the send button and watch your email fly off to its recipient. And there you have it. Typing emails with your voice in Gmail on Google Chrome is as simple as that. By following these steps, you've added a powerful tool to your digital toolbox that can save you time and effort. Enjoy your new hands-free emailing experience.